Look at these prawns, larger than my hands. And in Spanish is camarones de agua fresca or shrimp in fresh water. Shrimp is camarones, but these are prawns, and I'm going to cook it on collard shrimps and grits with black-eyed peas. Let's create. So I'm going to cut the legs because I'm going to cut this baby in half. Let me cut some of the tail too to make it easy. Cut the legs. Cut the back of the shell from tail all the way to the head, okay? And I clean it up a little bit too. Take the vein out. You see, I left it open. Do the same with the others. I'm preheating the oven, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put just a little bit of salt. You don't need a lot of things. Just a little bit of salt for now. 350 degrees, going to the oven now. I pull them out the oven, color change to orange, which means they are cooked. So I'm going to prepare sauce. I'm going to put a couple butters, and I'm going to let them melt first, okay? So my butter is melt. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some onions, because I'm making a sauce for the shrimp, or for the prawns, the prawns. I'm going to put some cilantro. And I'm going to caramelize this, okay, for a couple minutes. Okay. About 3 teeth of garlic shredded. And you don't want the garlic to get burned, so you're going to move this for a few seconds. I'm not even going to waste time. So I'm going to add a grated tomato. I grated this tomato. I have some tomato paste. Don't put a lot, just a little bit. About a tablespoon. Mix things up. And then I'm going to add, I have a teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Going to add it. Going to mix things up. Some thyme, fresh thyme. Going to add it too. Now I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth. You can use water too, because I don't want this to be too solid like paste. I want this to have some texture, but I don't want it like a paste. See? What I'm going to do now, I have some black-eyed peas. You can just use the dry ones, which I put them in water overnight, and then I boil them for about 20 minutes with salt. So I'm going to add that to give it some character, okay? Hey, you can cook this for New Year's, you can do throughout the year, but look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. And let them cook for about 5 minutes, okay? So that sauce, the acidity goes out. In fact, let me add some sugar, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Want to give it a taste? Little bit of salt. And continue cooking this baby. Let's go with the grits. The grits. So I have a cup of chicken broth. You can use water. I've been heating it up here for about a couple minutes. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a cup of grits, okay? And you go softly. You don't just dump it, you just go slowly. And you continue doing this like this, okay? Until all of them is in, but you do it softly and carefully. Okay. Then you're going to get about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of milk. I'm going with coconut milk, but you can use any milk because you don't want this to get lumps, okay? So you have to continue moving. And you might need more liquid than that, but this is what you have to do now. And I don't have this at high, I have this at medium, okay? You want this to be a little bit soft. And I don't want lumps. Let's put some salt. Fine salt, the fine one. Yeah, it's about 3 or 4 minutes. I have to add a tiny bit more of the milk. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese just to make it a little bit creamier. Just a little bit, you don't go crazy, okay? Mix this stuff up, baby. Some people might put butter. I say, let me go with the mozzarella cheese to get it creamier, huh? Let me reduce this to low and do the final creamy touch. Not lumpy, it's nice and delicious, ready to serve. And here we have it. Look at these prawns and look at these black eyed peas and these creamy grits. Southern with a nice island touch.